Hello, crypto bakers. Welcome back. Today we're diving into BakerySwap, ticker Bake, the DeFi token that's baking up a storm with a 165% surge in the last 24 hours. Launched on Binance and performing insanely well, Bake's up 290% in 7 days, 372% in 14 days, and a massive 500% in 30 days. Trading at $0.0925, adjusted for surge, with a market cap of $26.88 million and a 24-hour trading volume of $980.92 thousand, Bake's on fire. Hit that like button, subscribe, and let's break down why it's exploding, its history, and future predictions in August 2025. First off, what's BakerySwap? Bake is the native token of BakerySwap, a decentralized exchange, DEX, and automated market maker, AMM, launched in September 2020 on the Binance Smart Chain, BSC. Founded by anonymous developers, BakerySwap was one of the early DeFi projects on BSC, offering low-fee swaps, liquidity pools, and yield farming with a fun, bakery-themed twist, like bakery combos for staking rewards. Bake is a BEP20 governance token, used for voting on proposals, staking in syrup pools for yields up to 100% APY, and accessing the platform's NFT supermarket. With a total supply of 288.71 million tokens and 289.77 million circulating, nearly fully diluted, Bake powers a vibrant ecosystem. It's traded on 20-plus exchanges, including Binance, Gate.io, and Mexi, making it accessible for DeFi enthusiasts. This isn't just a meme coin, it's a functional DeFi powerhouse with real utility. Let's crunch the numbers, because Bake's baking gains. As of August 20th, 2025, BakerySwap is trading at $0.0925, up 165% in the last 24 hours, 290% in 7 days, 372% in 14 days, and a staggering 500% in 30 days. The market cap is $26.88 million, with a 24-hour trading volume of $980.92 thousand per CoinMarketCap. That volume-to-cap ratio shows strong trader interest. With 289.77 million tokens circulating, the fully diluted valuation is $26.82 million. Bake's all-time high was $8.50 on May 2nd, 2021, so it's down 98.9% from that peak, but up 85% from its all-time low of $0.0502 on March 11th, 2025 per CoinGecko. The 24-hour range hit a high of $0.0998 and a low of $0.037, reflecting wild momentum. Ranked hash 740 on Bybit, Bake's resurgence is real. Why's Bake baking up these gains? First, its Binance relisting in 2025 is massive. After a delisting in 2021 due to liquidity issues, Binance's return has boosted visibility and trading volume per MEXC. This relisting aligns with BSC's revival, with $1.2 billion in TVL per DAppRadar. Second, the crypto market's bullish, Bitcoin's near $73,000, and the $3.89 trillion market cap is up 0.41% daily per CoinMarketCap, fueling DeFi tokens like Bake. Third, fundamentals are strong. BakerySwap's NFT supermarket and syrup pools offer 100% plus APY, attracting yield farmers. Recent updates like cross-chain bridges and new farming pairs have revived user interest per BakerySwap.org. Technicals show a breakout past 5 cents with a 14-day RSI of 65, indicating momentum without overbought status per CoinCodex. Bake's outperforming the market by 400% in 30 days. This is DeFi resurgence. History-wise, BakerySwap launched in 2020 amid the DeFi boom, hitting $8.50 ATH in 2021 before crashing 98% in the 2022 bear market. Its low fees on BSC, 0.25% swap fees, and governance model kept it alive. But the 2025 Binance relisting and bull market have ignited a comeback. Let's keep it real. Bake's hot, but DeFi's risky. The 165% daily spike and $980.92 thousand volume versus $26.88 million market cap signal FOMO, risking a pullback. Bake's down 98.9% from its $8.50 ATA, and CoinCodex predicts a possible drop to 4 cents if support fails. BSC faces competition from Solana and Arbitrum, and past delistings highlight liquidity risks. Regulatory risks loom. Global crackdowns like Indonesia's crypto taxes could hit DeFi per Bitget. With no future dilution, nearly 100% circulating, but anonymous devs, trust is key. CoinMarketCap warns of 20-30% corrections in hyped DeFi tokens. Don't YOLO, manage your risk. What's next for Bake? The outlook's tasty. CoinCodex forecasts 35 cents by Q4 2025, a 278% gain, driven by DeFi's $1.2 trillion TVL growth per DAppRadar. BakerySwap's NFT updates and BSC's revival could push Bake to 50 cents by 2026. The bull market, with $7.5 trillion market cap projections, is a tailwind. Potential new listings or yield farming boosts could bake even more gains. But volatility's real. Bake's 165% surge shows 90% price swings per Bybit. Should you buy? If you're bullish on DeFi and BSC, Bake's a strong play. Traded on Binance, Gate.io, or Mexi. Set stop losses, diversify, and only invest what you can lose. DYOR bakers. That's the scoop on BakerySwap. The DeFi coin up 500% in 30 days. With Binance relisting, yield farming hype, and a bull market boost, Bake's baking gains. But volatility's lurking. What's your call? Is Bake hitting 50 cents or cooling off? Drop it in the comments, smash that like button, and subscribe for more crypto heat. Track Bake on CoinMarketCap or CoinGecko, and follow me for real-time updates. Stay bullish, and I'll see you in the next one.